How to add newsletter pop-ups on your Shopify store. Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how it's done and for free. To get started, we simply just want to log into our Shopify store and then we simply just want to go to the apps section, click on all recommended apps and just go to the Shopify app store. From here, you simply just want to search for Shopify forms, which I have right down here. I don't need to search for it, but if you don't see it, just look up Shopify forms. Go ahead and click on it and then just go ahead and click on install. Once it's installed on your Shopify store, we simply just want to click on create form and select pop-up form. We can just go and name it whatever you want. So now I need to note that this is going to basically collect the emails, but you're still going to need a service to actually, send out emails, for example, Shopify email, Klaviyo, MailChimp, whatever it may be. Anyways, we're just going to click on create. And now when it comes to the design aspect, you have three different views: form, teaser, and the success message after the end. So we're going to basically, adjust everything. And once we're done, we can just click on turn on form on the top right. So the teaser basically is going to be something that happens after they close out the pop-up, which is going to be at the bottom. It's just going to say don't miss out, or really whatever you want it to say. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. The form itself is going to say sign up, complete the form to sign up, and obviously you can feel free to adjust every single thing that it does say in here, including the text down below. But next up, we want to go to fields and really just, you can feel free to leave the first name if you require it, but I'm just going to remove it and keep it as email only. If you want to add a new field, just click on that. And you should be able to find, plenty of fields here, or just create a new one. Once you're happy with this, we simply just want to go down and we're going to basically be greeted with the success message. Again, you can feel free to, add a discount. You can feel free to add, change the title of it, the content, whatever it actually says. And then after that, we're just simply going to style the entire thing. So we can actually, change the colors of it and so on. Now you can either change the background or even add an image to make it as a background image if you want to, which is going to be the option right over here. Change the fonts and everything, and then we just want to go to behavior. In behavior, we're going to select the devices, whether it's going to be on desktop or mobile or all devices. And then the different pages that you want to actually show this in. Again, you can just feel free to make it on all pages. And then lastly, we have the actual trigger. So when does it actually trigger? On the first page view, second, or even third? I'm just going to go for the first. And then we can feel free to wait a few seconds before it actually pops up. So we can make it so that it waits 3 seconds and then it's actually going to pop up. So again, this is going to basically collect all the emails for you, for your newsletter, essentially. Once we're done, we can even scroll down, add some tags and things like that. And we can even set up automations and workflows if you're going to be using Shopify emails later on. So once you're happy with it, you simply just want to click on turn on form from the top right after clicking on save. So save, turn on the form. And then we want to actually go to online store before we actually see it. And we want to enable the app itself. So just go to your online store, go to the app embeds and make sure that the forms is turned on like so. And now we can actually just view our online store and we should be able to see the pop-up happen right over here. Just give it 3 seconds. And as you can see, people are just going to submit their emails and you can just, then use your newsletter platform, MailChimp, Klaviyo, whatever it may be, to, use that and send out your newsletters. So this is it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.